Welcome to Firestick Secrets. Is your Firestick or Android TV still running slow, buffering, or stuck with a confusing media player? Today, we're putting your device into beast mode as we count down 5 of the best, fastest, and easiest to use streaming players for 2026. By the end, you'll know which one best fits the way you watch. First up is TiviMate. If you want a polished, traditional cable-style experience, this is one of the strongest options available. It features a clean channel layout, an excellent electronic program guide, support for catch-up when offered by your authorized provider, and smooth remote navigation. For an organized, living room-friendly experience, TiviMate is hard to beat. Number 2 is IPTV Smarters Pro, a great choice for beginners. The interface is easy to understand, and you don't need to dig through complicated settings to get started. Enter the authorized login details supplied by your legal content provider, and the player can organize your live channels, movies, and series into clearly labeled sections. Number 3 is Hot Player. This is a solid option for older or lower-powered devices. Its lightweight interface starts quickly, stays simple, and avoids unnecessary visual clutter. If you want a straightforward player that is easy to navigate, Hot Player deserves a look. Number 4 is IBO Player, a flexible media player for more advanced users. It offers useful customization options and gives you greater control over how your playlists and categories are displayed. If you enjoy fine-tuning your setup and organizing everything your own way, IBO Player may be the right fit. Number 5 is XCIPTV. It has a modern, uncluttered interface and offers a balanced experience across live channels, movies, and series. Navigation feels responsive, content categories are easy to find, and the overall design works especially well for viewers who value simplicity and speed. Here's the most important thing to understand. All 5 of these apps are media players only. They do not include host, sell, or provide any channels, movies, sports, or television content. To use them, you must supply your own legally obtained and authorized playlist or login information. Avoid random free playlists and public credentials online because they may be unreliable, unsafe, or unauthorized. If you need help installing one of these players, checking your Firestick settings, or entering your authorized configuration correctly, use the support option in the video description or pinned comment. My team and I will help you work through the setup step by step. If this video helped you choose the right player, hit the like button, subscribe to Firestick Secrets, and let me know in the comments which player you use. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.